I think I've mentioned this multiple times in the past. What really makes my job exciting is when I get to encounter exciting ingredients. And second, yung makakwentuhan, maka-jamming, yung mga passionate na farmers na kagaya ni Sir Rex. And alam mo yung damang-dama mo yung pagmamahal nila dun sa produkto nila, yung dedication nila, and perfecting their craft. To honor yung kanilang sakripisyo, dedikasyon, kailangan ma-highlight ko yung produktong pinag-investan nila ng oras at panahon. Gagawa tayo ng steak at yung gagamitin nating sauce, yung kanilang dark chocolate, at eto, first time ko nakita yung kanilang cacao beer. So I'm just preparing ang ating onions na gagamitin natin mamaya for the sauce while we're increasing yung temperature ng ating pan. Also, yung ating garlic, pang i-infuse natin dun sa oil, and at the same time, gagamitin natin garnish later on. Generous amount of oil, at habang hindi ko pa nilalagay yung steak natin, ilalagay ko na yung ating garlic to again infuse yung flavor niya doon sa ating oil. So we're just gonna generously season yung ating steak. So I'm gonna use this side first. So ako, technique that I got from Heston Blumenthal is to flip it every 30 seconds. Itong side na to, hindi pa natin nasisiran ng meat. So ibig sabihin, mas mataas na yung temperature niya versus kung i-flip mo lang siya at same position lang din. So parang malamig pa tong side na to. To ensure na maganda yung caramelization ng meat natin, you would wanna use the other side. So doon naman natin siya i-flip. So this is the browning that you're aiming for. Kasi mabilisan lang ito. We're just gonna add in our butter. So at this point, kuha ko na by pressing yung ating meat. Papunta na ako sa medium rare. So at this point, tatanggalin ko na siya. So in less than 10 minutes, ito yung caramelization na nakuha natin. And yung doneness, kung pipisilin ninyo, kung makikita ninyo yung bounce, medium rare, baby. And I'm gonna turn off the heat. Ito na yung sauce. Basically, we wanna maximize yung flavor na meron tayo dun sa pan. So ika-caramelize lang natin yung ating onions. And then later on, yung excess oil na yan, we're gonna pour it over doon sa ating steak para mas masipsip pa nung ating karne yung flavors na binuo natin dito. So we're just gonna pour the excess oil. Woo! We're just gonna pour in some acid. So gagamit tayo ng ating vinegar. And then we're just gonna reduce this down. I'm sure masarap na inumin to, pero gagamitin ko muna dun sa ating pinaka-sauce. As you can already imagine, I'm going for a bitter kind of sauce. Yung bitterness from the beer, since na-reduce na siya, nawala na yung alcohol niyan, matitira dyan is yung fruity and bitter notes niya para ma-emphasize pa yung pait na gusto kong ilagay doon sa ating dish. I'm just gonna add in a few knobs of our dark chocolate na dito mismo nila pinroseso. And this is our sauce.
Anong nilagay mo dito?
Ay, syempre, yung products po natin dito. We have the cacao, tableya, yung ating dark chocolate, and yung ating beer. So I'm aiming for the bitter flavor profile talaga.
Yun, meron. Winner. Lami kayo.
Lami. Okay.
Lami kayo.
Ayos.
Yep.